Hello students, how are you? I hope everyone is fine. I'm fine too. Thank you. Students, in your previous class, you worked with writing letter, right? And you already know what are the parts of the letter. So, let me ask you something. Please have a look on the screen. These are the parts of the letter, but these letters are in wrong order. You have to put these words in correct order. So, for this, let's have a look on the letter again. Look at the letter and think of those parts and try to put the words in correct order. Okay, do it. Students, are you doing this? Okay, let's check with your answers. Heading. The address is the heading. Greetings. How are you? Dear Jessica, how are you? How was your trip back to London? This is the greeting. Now body. Rest of the big part is the body of the letter. And next, closing. I want to go to school again. My friends can't visit me here because they can get ill easily. I hope you are fine. Write to me soon. This is the closing of the letter. And now the signature. Your friend Shima. That means the name of the writer. Now dear children, please look back again to the letter. এবার লেটারে আবার একটু তাকাও দেখো হেডিং কোনটা? This one is the heading, greeting, including this is the greeting and the rest of the big part is the body. And the last paragraph is your closing and this is the signature, the name of the writer. Okay? I hope you know now very well what are the parts of the letter. Students, now we are going to work in activity J. Please open your book and look at activity J. Write Jessica's reply to Shima. Jessica's reply to Shima include the parts of the letter listed in activity H. Use the following cues to write your letter. You already know the parts of the letter that were listed in activity H, right students? Yes, and later on you have to read these cues. These are also written in your book. You have to follow these cues to write the reply to Shima. Okay? I am reading the cues aloud. Write your school address. In the heading part, first part of the letter, you have to write your school address. And in second part, in the first paragraph, suggest something that Shima can do to get better. What Shima can do to get better, you have to write in the first part of the body. Here, in this second part, you can take help from your previous lesson, the doctor's advice. Okay, students, in your previous lesson, there are a lot of things what to do when anybody caught flu. Okay? In the second paragraph, tell her about something happening at your school. দ্বিতীয় প্যারাগ্রাফে তুমি তোমার স্কুলে রিসেন্টলি ঘটেছে বা ঘটছে এমন কোনো ঘটনার কথা উল্লেখ করবে। And then end the letter by telling Shima that you hope she gets better soon. চিঠিটি তুমি শেষ করবে to wish her so that she can get better soon. And later on, lastly, you will sign your letter and you have to put your name in the last part of the letter. Please let's see the previous letter again. Here is the heading. I am helping you to recall the words heading, the first part of the body and the second part of the body and the signature or the closing. Okay? Students, try to write the letter, but while writing the letter, you have to keep two things in your mind. First one is the parts of the body, and the second one is you have to think all the cues before writing the letter. So, for this I think you can take a help from your previous part, that was doctor's advice, and in the second part of the paragraph, in the second paragraph, tell her about something happening at your school. Here you can mention some news of some competitions or any program that are happening at your school. For example, তোমাদের স্কুলে রিসেন্টলি কোনো কিছু একটা প্রতিযোগিতা হয়েছে অথবা কোনো একটা কিছু ঘটতে যাচ্ছে, সেরকম কোনো কিছু নিউজ থাকলে তোমরা সেকেন্ড প্যারাগ্রাফে মেনশন করবে। সেই ক্ষেত্রে ধরো এমনও হতে পারে যে our school won the football tournament, or our school wins the competition of cricket tournament or handball tournament, something like that. Okay, students, please take your notebook and try to write the letter. Students, to write the letter I am giving you 3 minutes. Please try to write the letter within these 3 minutes. Please try. Students, I hope you are trying to write the letter, right? Okay, no problem. তোমরা যদি না পারো, it's okay, at least you tried. Okay, let's see what could be the letter. I have written a letter for you. Here I have mentioned the address. Can you remember which address is this? Yes, it was written on your envelope, right? Dear Shima, I'm fine, but I'm so sad that you have the flu. These 2 lines and this greeting is the part of our greeting, okay? And then I think you should follow the doctor's advice and stay at home. This is the first part of your body, okay? And the second part, do you know our school football team wins the Zilla competition? Now our school is going to arrange a science fair this month where you will take part. And this is the second part of your letter. This is the second paragraph of your letter, this one, okay? Now we are trying to close our letter. Students, this is the last part. I wish you good luck. I hope you get better soon. And here is the signature, your friend Jessica. So this letter can help you to write a new letter by yourself, okay? Students, look at activity K. Here, look at the envelope for Shima's letter to Jessica. This is the previous envelope for Shima's letter to Jessica. Now we have to write a new envelope for our new letter. Write the address on Jessica's envelope. তোমরা দেখতে পাচ্ছ এখানে দুটো envelope দেওয়া আছে। একটা হচ্ছে পুরনো চিঠিটার envelope আর এই খালি envelope, এই blank envelope তোমাদেরকে নতুন অ্যাড্রেসে নতুন করে লিখতে হবে। Here is the address of Jessica Jones, but here you have to write the address of Shima Ahmed. Okay, so let's see what it could be. You have to write like this. First, you have to draw an envelope on your white paper, and then you have to write stamp on the corner of the envelope. Then you have to write to. That means to whom you are writing the letter, the address of that person. To, and then Shima Ahmed, 102 Khadim Nagar, Kotwali, Sylhet, Bangladesh. This is the sample I have written for my previous letter, but you have to mention your address, the address of your school, okay? I hope you can do it at your home. Now students, this is your homework time. Okay, let's see what's the homework for you today. You have to write a letter to your cousin. Today we have practiced how can we write a letter to our friend, but staying at your home, you have to write another new letter and you have to write this letter to your cousin, okay? Students, I hope you can do it well by yourself. So that's all for today. সবাই ভালো থাকুন, নিরাপদে থাকুন, stay at home, stay safe. Thank you very much.